So we're going to show you a really useful tool in Excel. So you want to open up your Excel that what it does is you can change the formulas you typed in Excel to showing the actual formula. And so generally what I do is I copy and paste it into another Excel sheet so I can refer back to the first one that has the actual numbers. And this is useful for just looking back at your work. So you need to paste it using this rather than this, because this just copies over the values, which won't show your functions. So you use this, and then leave it still all highlighted, and you're supposed to go to Formulas, and then click on Show Formulas, and that'll show all of your formulas, and it'll keep your data.